Connect 3 or 4 light boxes in a T or cross shape. That's what we're going to talk about now. If you're planning and building larger, more complex exhibition stands, the PIXLIP EXPO system gives you a brilliant yet simple tool, the U and O connectors. We'll now go through the assembly step by step, first building a T and then expanding it into a cross. Here we first see the part of the materials that we need to connect the 3 light boxes. To prepare, we screw a hollow bolt onto each U and place it at the bottom of the first light box. Now secure it with the nut and do the same at the top. When the system hole of the light box and the U connector are aligned, push the hollow bolt through the light box into the U and tighten it. Secure it with the nut and do the same at the top. Now we slide the next frame into place and repeat the process. By the way, this whole process also works if you assemble the light box directly at its final position. This is the point where we grab the PIXLIP key and tighten our 6 nuts. And just like that, our 3 light boxes are standing at 2 perfect right angles. Our T is standing, and at this point, you would start wiring. There's a separate video for that. Now we'll continue with the connector and attach another light box here. First, we grab the connection extension, which will turn our U into an O. The 4 screws are tightened with the Allen key before we repeat the process at the top. We're now already screwing in the hollow screws on the connector because this is the moment when you should run your wiring through the system borehole. Because now we're closing off the hollow space by sliding the light box into place. Alternatively, you can also start building a 4th light box from this point. And once everything is in place, all that's left is to screw on the nuts and tighten them with the PIXLIP key. A stable cross. You can find more videos about the Expo system here at PIXLIP.